I got the Sandman smart clock with Doppler and Alexa. It's great for operating all your home devices, keeping time. The screen is brightness is very good. It's easy to read, easy to set up, easy to use. A great addition to your smart home devices. In the back, we have a cord with 6 USB charging ports. All your controls are right here at the top, but you can operate it through the app in your phone. Download the app, set up your device, connect it with your Alexa account, and you're good to go. Very, very nice. Very, very good clock. I highly recommend it as a gift or just an addition to your home smart devices. Here's the box that it came in. Thank you card. Your password to set it up. And a screen protector that was on it. Here's the cord that comes with it. As you can see, I have it plugged up right here. Here's the cord. Charging cable. All the buttons of operation. Alexa, shut the basement off.
Okay.
Thank you, Alexa.